Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a vital topic: 8 keys to a happier marriage, insights from relationship therapists. If your marriage is facing challenges or you're just looking to strengthen your bond, this video is for you. Marriage isn't always easy, and every couple faces challenges, but with the right strategies, you can get your marriage back on track. We've gathered 8 therapist-approved tips to help you do just that, so let's get started. Intimacy is more than physical, it's deeply emotional. It's about understanding your partner's needs. Let's discuss how to make your sexual life more interesting and fulfilling. Incorporate a quote from Talkspace therapist Meaghan, PsyD, LPC, on eliminating distractions to protect the partnership. Effective communication is the backbone of a healthy relationship. Let's talk about open conversations, sharing dreams, goals, and feelings. Remember, listening is as important as speaking. Reference communication exercises and emphasize the importance of asking more questions, quoting Meaghan again. Spending quality time is crucial. Even simple activities like movie nights can strengthen your bond. Prioritize being together. Quote Meaghan on the importance of regular date nights. Forgiveness can transform your marriage. Let go of grudges and resentments. Understand the negative impacts of holding on to anger, including health effects. Share insights from a recent study on anger, stress, and health impacts. Healthy marriages are built on mutual respect, not control. Discuss the importance of give and take in a relationship. Bring back the spark. Simple gestures like surprise dates or love notes can reignite passion. Share personal stories or examples to illustrate. Discuss the power of setting and achieving goals together, whether they're about finances, family, or personal growth. This can strengthen your bond significantly. If challenges persist, consider couples counseling. Explain the benefits of professional guidance and exercises that therapists might suggest. Let's quickly recap the 8 keys we discussed today. Remember, every marriage is unique, and these tips are just starting points. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to comment your thoughts and experiences below. Until next time, keep nurturing your relationship. For more tips on relationships and personal growth, check out our other videos. See you in the next one.